today I am here with
1,245
and I am going to be doing the
Yummy Challenge,
and we are going to be filming on mine and hers. But the thing is, mine keeps messing up. I've deleted a lot of things now, so it should work. And she's just going to catch up, and we're just going to show you our yoga moves on my side.
It's a Leah-ism, yoga. Okay.
So there's.
So we've already done this on mine, but we're going to catch her up first.
So the first thing we're going to be doing is this.
Oh, so is it this one? I think we can ace it.
Okay, ready, go. Ready? And go. It's going to film like this, because then you can see. Sorry about that.
Let's get the crap out of me.
My phone just slipped, but it's okay. There's only one crack in it.
I was going to
That was
say.
from ages ago. Right, ready, go. Okay, hands. Now we've got to hold on to that. That's it.
Up. Ready? Next foot.
Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I straightened my legs this time.
Yes.
What's the next one?
Next move is this.
It may look
Got
really
to be
hard.
face to face. We're just gonna move you up here so you can see a better view. Then I'll move you back down again. So
Arch.
arms up.
Look up.
No, your arms bent. You have to be straight.
1, 2, 3, 4.
My belly always shows in that one.
Okay.
She's gonna get a drink. Our next move is this. I'm gonna be a girl. She's always the boy.
Yeah, we tried this the opposite way round on my channel and it didn't work.
Didn't work.
So if you let go of my channel then as well, then you see all the fails.
Okay, let's do it. Right.
So we'll get that really arch.
We know who's better at which bit because, yeah.
We
That way a bit. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Right, ready?
Me too, that was what was slipped. Okay.
No, keep your legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You went to lift one leg up.
No, that's the other one.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a different one. Right, anyway, our next one.
This is a bit harder.
It's hard because we can't touch each other's shoulders because, that'll be catch up then. Because, I don't know.
Because it's
She's
just
too
odd.
tall.
It's really odd and no one can bend down that far.
I can.
I can't.
So because she's got tall legs. Just give me a hand. We're just going to touch each other's hands and bend down as far as you can.
1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
Okay, after this one,
We'll be catching up with hers. So this is the one
this
next.
is the harder one that I was on about.
I'm the lady.
Because we tried to do this, that was not the other one.
I actually was able to do it.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Hold on.
Just find the next page.
Just getting it. My thing's messed up. Great for me. Welcome back. We don't want a voucher. Nope. Hold on, guys. Just give me a minute. So that's it. Go that way a bit.
This way?
No. Yeah. Back a bit. Stop. Ready?
Just looking at my hands, you look really tanned.
Just so you can see my leg when it pokes up. You don't see my body because you'll be able to see my leg anyway.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You should have been able to see my leg. It should have been straight. It wasn't that sorry.
Okay, now I can.
So now we're going to be catching up with hers.
Well, you would have caught up by now.
Anyway, our next one is we're going to do this.
Okay, guys.
But we're going to do it for like 2. So she's going to be the arch
We
again
just
or whatever.
caught up with Leah's, so let's.
So instead of 3, we're going to do 2. So we're doing this. Woo! Got to show her if you can now. But we're going to do it with 2 instead of 3 people. No.
To give us a thumbs up if you just think we're crazy and weird.
Yep.
Okay, you ready?
What was it again?
So you
yeah.
put your feet on my ass.
Yeah. Oh, I'm good.
We do the same.
Right, come back a bit.
Wait, I'll do it this way then. That'd be easier.
No, because I'm not facing that way then. So basically just doing what we've done already, sort of.
You've got it. Right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry if you couldn't see us there.
Yeah. We'll try our hardest.
Oh, God, all this hard work is going to be sweaty.
Next we're going...
Oh,
no.
I think that would be too hard because I might drop you.
We're going to do this. So, let's try that. I'll get a better view.
Yeah.
I keep getting wedgies, you know, guys, so I'm sorry about
And
that.
we got to keep moving on. Camera's up, so sorry. Yeah, okay. I think I got it. So we've got... Ready? So hold hands.
Feet together. Right, just lean back. We trust each other. No, you don't trust me.
I do.
Right, just go like that. No, don't keep it. Go. No, Lauren, your arms are not straight. Tense them. Just hang on to each other.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hello.
Just move you down. Sorry.
That was her fault. It was her fault.
Sit down. We can see your thighs. I feel like a little baby sat like this.
Kids, carry on.
Do you want to do that? Do you do that? Can you hold my weight?
I could like, you felt light on me when you had your 1 foot on me.
Are you sure?
Give it a go.
I feel like I'm fat, but I'm not.
You ain't fat, girl.
We're going to try and attempt this.
We're going to try it. So, yeah, okay. So
Oh, God.
I've got to put my legs up straight and you've got to wrap yourself around me. Okay, I've got a feeling that
You just got to hold my shoulder. Right, come this way a bit. Come this way.
I think I've got a feeling that's going to be really hard.
Okay, ready? I've got to trust. Right, your legs are too high. Come this way a bit. Right, hold on. We might have to move our cameras up a bit. Lauren, careful.
So for this slight delay.
Sorry if you cannot see us.
But
Yeah, they will see. They will see me, but not you. Right, up. And you got to hold my shoulders. Right, hold my shoulders. Right.
should we not do that one?
No, we're gonna do it. I want to do it.
This is going to be really hard.
Are you really? Oh, God's sake, your stupid phone.
I know.
If it was again, I'll shoot it. Alright.
You shoot it, you bang me.
Alright, come on. You got to put all your weight. Like you've got to be really strong. Right, legs straight. Right, no, right. Bend down a bit so you can grab my shoulders. Right.
You got your shoulders.
Right, ready? Push up. Right, push up. I'm gonna have to let go. My back just clicked. Can you try the other way around?
Do not do that.
No, I want to do it. Right, you have to do it now. I'm actually quite. I'm a girl, but I'm actually quite strong. That is actually a fact, isn't it, Lauren?
Yeah, but I was kind of scared. I don't want
Do I put my legs here?
What?
Yeah, I do. Right. No, I'll put them on your back. Here you go.
You
Lean
just grab my
back.
shoulders.
No, just lean back.
This is really hard.
Right, lean back first. Like, do crab over me.
I do a crab over you. It's
Yeah.
fine. Let me test you now.
Sit here. You feel really odd on me.
So if I hurt you.
I go.
We had it for 5
No,
seconds.
Right. Right, you're gonna. Right.
Ow!
Right,
Ow!
I am strong, but she's doing worse, and I'm not doing that.
hurts.
It clicks your back, doesn't it?
Yeah, that hurts.
Alright, we're gonna be doing. We've already done that one.
Yeah. That would be really... Okay.
We're gonna do this one.
Oh my god, all this hard work.
Oh my god, this is really fun.
My back.
Alright.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to sit on it.
Alright. We're gonna have to sit down a bit.
Yeah, like that.
I think I might put mine up here so you can see a bit more. If we sit.
You didn't drop my bottle.
Alright, ready? Go, come on. What the heck? Stay still. Dinner. Right, turn around. Right.
Put our arms around each other.
3, 2, 1. No, just sit down. I think sit down. I can do it.
Wait, should we start by sitting down?
Whew. No, because it's easier that way. Right, ready? Wrap your arms around me. Right,
Ready?
and just bend your legs, and you can just support each other.
1, 2,
Rest on me.
3, 4, 5.
We did it. We're alive.
We're still alive.
Don't worry, I got you. I got you.
Woo. Do you want to do a few more and then stop?
Okay.
My hair looks really messy, but get with it.
That one?
What? Yeah.
Right, we're gonna try this.
But when you're gonna hold it for like 2 seconds.
Just like a love heart.
2 seconds.
Right, ready?
So those are 2 back feet. I've got to be side by side.
I can bend. We'll just do that. We'll just do that. Alright, I'm gonna get my.
Ready.
Sorry that you can see my hand, but.
Boom.
Ready, go.
Put your arms up. On. And remember. 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's fast. No. Right, we're gonna do a couple more.
And then we're gonna stop.
I think I'll just do my camera there now. No.
No.
How can you do that?
Okay. How can you do that? How can you like float in the air? It's impossible. If we can float, then we could be doing
that. Right, we're gonna do this, guys.
Who's going on what end?
Can you go on the top?
Yeah.
Bottom, I mean.
Yeah. I don't
Then we'll switch over.
yeah. Okay. Okay. We're asking me. I'll turn it down now.
No.
So you can see us. Then we'll be able to see us. Okay. So if you can. Oh my God.
Okay, she's going on the bottom.
And you've got to put your feet.
No, you're not an arch. You're just about to do a push-up, basically. No, you're not doing that. Look.
That's what. Yeah. So.
That's not an arch. You're just doing an arch. Just do a push-up about. You're sticking your bum up. Stick your bum down.
I can't do press-ups anyway.
Just do this. Look. Look. Just keep your back straight. God, this one is hard to work with. All I have to do, just keep your body straight. Right, that's it. That's it. That's it. Okay, ready?
I need to my feet up.
No, you don't.
This is really weird.
Just come on. I'll put this under you. You won't slip then. Go. You shouldn't slip. Stupid. Alright, come on, Andy. Do it seriously this time. Alright, we've got to please our viewers. Right, quickly. Quick! Come on, chop to drop.
There. Put my feet there.
There you go, come on. I want to do this.
That's not gonna like that.
Oh. Right, just come on, just do it on. Just push. Go, quick. Come on, we're running out of time. Come on, just do this.
Do this.
Right, we're doing it this way now.
Feet set.
Is that alright?
Yep.
Right.
Just put your feet up and we'll be fine.
Right, ready, go up. Right, go. Right, ready?
Steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, I think that'll be it for today, guys.
So,
My hair's a mess. I hope you enjoyed this, can't see me, video. And I hope you will subscribe and all that bonkers. So, I love you all. Say bye, Lauren. Bye.